me to be back outside.
Oh God! He just said he earned it. He said he earned the title fastest N54.
I'm so mad. I'm a big ass truck. I thought this would be the flip on speed.
What you mean? You didn't just see that space?
That don't matter.
It's all with y'all though, so I ain't good.
You ain't race me yet.
So that's even worse.
Yeah, that shit built as fuck. All right now.
That bitch sound nasty. Rev it. Rev it.
You want to get gapped tonight?
Gap is crazy. How much you want to do it for? That shit slow as hell.
What you want to bet it on? What you want to put on it?
We'll run it up. That's why I said, what do you want to put on it?
I want a rack.
Huh?
I want to take a rack off of you.
You want to take a rack off me?
Yeah. Nah, not tonight, but that's what I want to do it. Nah, hell nah. I'm on my work tire. Them shit's fucked up.
Too, I'm on my work tire.
No, sir.
I got the slicks at the house.
You don't drive across gravel to get to work?
Yeah, I do. Nigga, I work downtown.
Nigga, that's
I
not
work
gravel.
in the construction zone, like. Construction zone. Yeah. Hard at work.
Kid, what going on? You having a gym session?
We just got damn
That's what we
bored.
do at 187 Racing, bro.
Really
get right.
Mighty well. Mighty well. How many y'all doing?
5 sets 20. 5 sets 20 on both arms. There's some goddamn some late night shit.
That one right there is crazy.
And drinking at the same time.
That little goddamn.
I just got
What's that, Duce? Yes. These niggas going crazy. Smoking, drinking, and working out. Y'all some healthy, unhealthy niggas. Look, check this tie out. It be sitting right.
What, you want to run the back too?
Bruh.
Freaky,
Hey, I'll do it one day. That's your shit, drama, ain't it? Yeah. I'll race the vet one day. I gotta put a vet on the channel. See what I'm saying?
told me I want to take a rack off. It's crazy.
You used to have one, you know what they do, bro.
I don't know shit that they do.
You know what they do.
I don't got them. So the reason why I sold them bitches,
Wait.
they don't do shit. You been racing weak cars, bro. You
I have.
No real for sure.
So where car race that with week?
See, you ain't raced nothing like this before yet. Yeah, you ain't raced this. I go get the M340 too if you feeling real freaky like. Yeah.
What? The Beamer?
Yeah.
I ain't racing the Beamer.
Huh?
I ain't racing the Beamer.
Why?
You told me when it come out it's gonna be right.
Yeah.
nigga line.
It's
My-
dark though.
Park 3 times.
No.
Nigga, fucking eco.
Stop.
No, it's not.
Damn, can I
Stop
Beamer?
being
What?
Oh, it's an
If
M.
it
It's
wasn't
an M340.
stock, It would, yeah.
I couldn't work out.
The real M340, not what your boy had. That ain't no real M340.
Basically.
Yeah, the M package, but it's not an M.
What the M340 come with?
Like, bro, on my title, it say M340.
I know. Got shit.
I'm keeping the hood closed on this too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's done
You
to
don't
it?
race me, it's a grudge race. You called me out for $1,000.
What's done to it?
I don't know. I don't even drive the car. I swear to God, I bought it not to drive it.
Ooh. Man, I built. Oh, he's single? Ooh. Boys, you pulled up deep as fuck. I bet Mari with them, matter of fact. I bet Mari with them boys. If that's Mike, I think that's Mike shit. Mari, gotta be with him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, they got that boy. Now they both here. About motherfucking time. Yeah. Oh, they got a 2-3. They got a motherfucking eco boost. Oh God. Why they pull up like this? Oh, they got a 1 Series over there. I gotta go see the 1 Series. Oh. Oh, they got a 1 Series. The boys just put up mobbing. Oh God, they just put up mobbing bad. Where you going?
You see the boy I got to go from.
No cap. You know we gotta get the content, man.
What's up?
Always working.
Y'all subscribe on what channel? I'm putting.
Oh God, TurboCharge, no, E82 Tray on YouTube, bro.
Yeah.
Gotta go tap in, no cap.
Oh, I had the GoPro twins.
Oh God, look, every time we pop out, we both got them. No cap. Nah, I thought you already discussed.
They said they gonna match what I got.
Okay. You know about his car? That's some real nigga shit.
Single turbo, that's all I got.
He built. I fuck with it. This shit gonna be hard, oh God. This shit gonna be hard. Who you got your money on?
I ain't betting money on nobody.
If you was.
If I was,
If you was.
it'd be a good race.
It is.
It's automatic versus manual.
Oh, he manual?
Yes.
Oh, nah, yeah. Oh, he do? He can shift? Automatic. I go automatic every day. Got to.
That's more than 2K. That's more than 2K though. Y'all keep going up. I'm saying they got a match. They will. They gonna have to. I bet.
You got the 100?
Ooh. That bitch shot a flame already? Let me find out. It's built block versus stock block. This finna be a fucking race. They both big turbo. I'm not sure who turbo bigger, but Mario didn't give a fuck. That nigga Mario said, I said, you know what done his car? He said, I don't care. You don't care, nigga. What? Nah, but that EcoBoost, big single, with a built single, he gapped him by 7 cars. So I got faith in that nigga 335. Oh God, I got faith in that bitch. Oh my God, that bitch sound nasty. Rev it. Shit, slow. Nigga, you see the tire on that bitch? Hell nah. You hear the blow off on the firewall? Nah. Not going. Man, y'all gotta love the racing community. You gotta love the racing community, bro. We deep for these niggas. They race for 4K, 4,000 pot, 2 aside, you know what I'm saying? Who y'all got? Y'all got a built block or the stock block? I got the stock block. I got faith in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? And they come with forged pistons already. It's not as strong, but that bitch strong, yeah. That bitch strong. Damn, this Infinity fucked me up. Oh my God.
Oh damn, they going about 2 there.
I caught the ass in though.
Damn, but I swear to God.
Oh my God. They got that walk down crazy.
Yeah, run it back.
You got Gotta spread that shit, gang. Gotta spread that shit, nigga.
Nigga making a reef. We spelling them shit on him, man.
Uh-oh.
Wait, what are you spelling?
Real deal, popping the key.
They want to bet their money back.
We gonna bet their money.
I don't know yet.
That nigga's funny? Oh, wait.
He ain't paying 5th grade.
What does it say?
Oh, shit.
That boy, you went stupid. Give me some, nigga, you went stupid.
Hey, we signed with NASA, so we spacing it, man.
That nigga, he had one rack in the hand, then put out the second rack, slap that bitch in the middle like Nene. Never. Gotta get a clip for the Instagram. Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, he earned that time.
Built motor versus stop block. Nigga, smack that built motor. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, I said that shit too. I said I got faith in that stop block. Look.
340 trying to reach you tonight, brother.
Yeah, I cut my shit.
M4 trying to
340 trying to reach you tonight, brother.
340.
M4 trying to reach you.
Who 340, bro?
We can get beefy too.
Great 340 that was over
We can
there.
get 440 out here too.
Bro, the M4 slow, bro.
Let's do something.
I'm gonna pop out. I'm gonna bring my money out for your ass.
Bring the ATM right there.
You know when you're ready.
ATM right there.
What you wanna do?
500 aside.
What you wanna do? What type of roll? 60. See, I like that. That's a good ass roll. Yeah, I fuck with it. 6140 for me, for your money. I like it, P. I like it. I ain't gonna lie, nigga. That shit sound right, my boy.
That's all. We need to be back outside.
Oh God, he just said he earned it. He said he earned the title fastest N54.
I'm so I thought this would be the front on speed and shit.
What you mean? You didn't just see that space?
That don't matter.
It's all-wheel drive though, so I ain't good.
You ain't race me
So
yet.
that's even worse. All-wheel drive stick, nigga. What you talking about?
Yeah, Jai, your shit was spinning at 60, nigga.
Nah, I ain't lying, it's fast though. It's fast.
Yeah.
I just can't say it's the fastest. Yeah.
Who the fastest?
Yeah.
I'll beat you.
Bust 20 ball up.
Oh my God. Y'all turning it?
Yeah. As you go up, turn it.
That shit gotta be fast. Or overheating. I think that shit fast. How you? Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody doing that shit.
Ain't it?
Some quick little shit. I didn't work earlier.